Hello friend, in some situations we receive some data but we know it's not right, or maybe we want to add a unique number all these values, maybe we want to multiply, maybe we want to divide. Let's see, I have some sales data over here. These are the states, these are the months. Now I want to add 5 in all the numbers. I can simply done this task by adding 5 in all the values like this in very simple way. And I can copy and I can paste these values and I got my answer. But I have a trick in which you can simply use paste special function for doing this kind of task. It's very easy. Even no one can see whether you have changes the number. You cannot see any formula or any function anywhere. Just like the values, you will get the result. Let's see how we can do this. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, do your comment, like the video, share this video on your social media so that your friends and family can get the benefit from our video. So let us begin. Now my task is to add 5 or we can say 10 in all values appearing over here, and I don't want to use any function or formula, and the user or somebody to whom I will send this file cannot see any function or addition or something. For this I will use paste special function or the tool, because it's not a function, it's a tool actually. So I will type 10 anywhere in the blank cell and I will copy this one. Now we need to select all the ranges or the number in which we want to add 10. Now press Ctrl Alt V to get the paste special. We can also get this from the home tab. Click on the paste. On the last we will get paste special. You can click over here. We will get the same window. Move a bit over here. And now on the second group we have some options, operations. Here we can do add, multiply, divide or subtract. We will select add and press OK. You can see the all numbers has been changed. 10 number added in all the values and my values are same. In the similar way I can subtract. Again I will select these ones and then Ctrl Alt V and then Alt S. Now click on the OK button and you can see I got my previous values. Here I have some more data. This is also the sales data for my second half, July to December. Now I need to add 10% in it. It means these are the 100% value. I need to add 6% in it. 60 plus 6 equals to 66. How we can achieve this? It's a very simple task. Just type 1.1 which representing 110%. I converted into the simple numbers. Press enter. My values are not in decimal place, but I can do it like this. Now you can see it's 1.1. Now I will copy, Ctrl plus C. I'll select my range and then Ctrl Alt V, and this time I am gonna select multiply. Click on OK button and you can see it's 66. And one more thing, it will apply the format of this cell as well. So you can see all the values are coming in the decimal places. 60 becomes 66, 50 becomes 55. Now we can repeat this task. We can also divide this number. For example, if I want to divide all these values by 10, so simply I can copy this 10 from here and I can select all these values, and this time Alt Ctrl V and I will select divide and then press on OK button and we got our answer. And you can see the format of these cells, because there is no decimal place in the original cell. Here also, hopefully it will help you a lot. It will increase your speed working in the Excel. If you like this video, please click on the like button. You can share this video on your social media as well. Please come back again for these kind of tricks and tricks. You can see the playlist of Excel on the top right, on the top left. You can click to watch all the videos related to the Excel. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please come back again.